Penis Enlargement Bible Review. Does it really work? 2,256 men tested Penis Enlargement Bible and we got their results in our hand. Find out if it really works or not. The secret is out. Penis Enlargement Bible is known as the safest and quickest method to increase penis size. But is that true? 2,256 men tested this program and their results are out. If you are looking for best penis enlargement product for some time, then you definitely heard the name of Penis Enlargement Bible. It is one of the most popular programs for penis enlargement. However, it is shameful to see many website bloggers write their biased review without testing the product themselves. I know they are making commission from them, but what value they are bringing to their readers? We never recommend any program without testing, and this is why when we first heard about Penis Enlargement Bible ebook, we created a team to find if it really deliver results or it is another scam. How many men tested this program? When we tested this program, we got pretty strong results. However, we need more men to test it out. Therefore, we contact the admin of one of the largest male enhancement community who mailed about this program to its 100K readers, testers and self-improvers. We outline that it is complete safe as we already tested it and it looked unique. Clue biochemical method. The response we got was awesome. Within just 5 days, we get approval from 2,256 men who are committing to try this Penis Enlargement Bible. As per our estimations, we thought people will get 1.1 to 1.3 inches growth within 6 months. However, shockingly, it performs even better than our estimation. After 6 months, we gather data from 2,256 men who test this Penis Enlargement Bible program. It took us whole day to analyze and rearrange the data. In beginning, we think the results we are seeing are not right. We thought we have made some mistake in collecting data, but it turns out we get it correct the first time around, and results were just amazing. So, what is the average penis size gain with Penis Enlargement Bible? On average, people saw gain of 1.5 inches in length and 0.64 inch in girth with just 6 months using Penis Enlargement Bible system. These results were shocking for us. This is why we again checked these results. With the data size of 2,256 men, we can say we truly have winner in our hand. The results that these 2,256 men get in 6 months are significantly better than the results of male extra pills. And one more thing that really amazed us was these results were not only limited to penis length. Many men saw growth size in their penis girth as well. The additional 0.64 inch in penis girth can make great difference in your sex life. Within just 6 months of using Penis Enlargement Bible program, you can improve your sex life and can be lauded as incredible lover by women. We thought of digging it out why two-step biochemical method is so effective, but first it is important to know side effect that is reported by one user. Side effect of using Penis Enlargement Bible. We have received just one report of headaches. Overall, we think this is really safe and proven method for increasing penis size naturally. Okay, let's take a deep look on this program. What is Penis Enlargement Bible? This 94-page ebook is created by John Cohen, in which you will find two-step biochemical method to increase penis size naturally. You will learn how to create puberty-like environment in your body to increase penis size. This program will teach you how to combine natural substance to create puberty-like environment in which your penis can grow easily. This will not only increase the length of penis but also the girth as well. Additionally, you have to do small amount of exercise in this program. Penis exercises are known as the safest and proven method for penis enlargement. Thankfully, by creating puberty-like environment, you don't need to do penis exercises for long hours. John Collins will show you how to get maximum benefits from exercise in shortest time possible. What is the cost of Penis Enlargement Bible? I am not sure if there is any discount available now, but as far as standard price is concerned, then you can get Penis Enlargement Bible along with its bonuses in just $47. But keep in mind, There are some herbs and natural supplement recommended in this program that will cost extra money. You can use this Penis Bible as long as you reach your desired results, as there is almost no side effect of this two-step biochemical method. However, I suggest you to stop using this two-step biochemical method when you are just 0.25 inch away from your desired goal. Why? This is because human body takes 21 days to adopt any habit, and similarly your body will take these 21 days to bring back things to normal. So, make sure you don't go further than your desired results, as there is no way to going back once it is done. Who is John Collins? Can you trust him? In penis enlargement industry there are many snake oil sellers, so it is important to do full research before investing your money in any product. In our research we discover, John Collins is sex educator, advisor and consultant. He has 20 years of experience in teaching men about how to get a bigger penis naturally and improve sexual performance. After lots of trials and errors, John Collins discovered two-step method that is the combination of mechanical and biochemical methods to increase penis length and girth. This is the safest penis enlargement method, and it helped over 5,000 men to get their desired penis size. John has provided all his techniques into his latest penis enlargement book called Penis Enlargement Bible. This best-selling penis enlargement book contains two-step method to increase penis size naturally. Besides that, John has also revealed 40 great sex tips that you can use to improve your performance in bed. Is payment and delivery discreet? Penis enlargement is such a topic that most men don't feel comfortable in talking about it. Thankfully, when you purchase this program no one will know what you have purchased, as your bank statement will know ClickBank.com. As far as deliver is concerned, you don't have to worry about it. This is because you will get product information in your email. This means you can easily hide your contact details, as there is no paperwork involved. How Penis Enlargement Bible really work? As you already know, the secret method of Penis Enlargement Bible is two-step method. In this guide, John Collins provided detailed information about how to combine these two steps to create environment for penis growth. This is safest way to get bigger penis naturally without using pills. Mechanical method. Natural exercises. Penis exercise is the most effective method to get bigger penis naturally. Men are using penis exercises since many years to get bigger and stronger penis. There are many different types of penis exercises, but some are very popular penis exercises are penis milking, jelqing, penile stretching and kegels. John Collins covered all these exercises and explained how to perform them to get maximum benefits from them. Biochemical method. Reactivating puberty. During puberty, body releases some biochemical and nutrients that travel to the penis and increases its length and girth. However, after certain period this process slows down, and slowly this process breaks down and penis stop growing. Thankfully, John Collins has discovered a biochemical method that will create puberty-like environment in your body and starts penis growth. This is completely safe method and it has no side effect. Although the main focus of Penis Enlargement Bible is male enhancement, but additionally it covers lots of conversational issues and provide guidelines on how to solve them. Here is my review on each chapter of Penis Enlargement Bible along with my recommendation. Chapter 1, Gain and Maintain a Hard, Sensitive Penis, page 716. This chapter provides understanding about how to increase blood flow into the penis. Additionally, in this chapter you will find out nutrients that you need to include in your diet to get harder erections. If you are having erection problems, then you will find 3 natural substances that can help in penis enlargement and treat any erection problems as well. Chapter 2, Start Penis Growth, page 1748. In this chapter you will find out nutrients that you need to create puberty-like environment in the body and start penis growth. The main focus of this penis enlargement program is to create puberty-like environment so your penis can grow naturally. Don't worry, this is completely safe. This chapter also contains list of 3 most important substances that you need to provide to your body. Additionally, there are some beginner to advanced exercises along with 10-week workout schedule that you need to follow to get bigger and strong penis. These exercises take only 15-20 minutes a day. Chapter 3, End Premature Ejaculation, page 4960. Premature ejaculation is a very common problem in men above 40. This chapter talks about some important facts about premature ejaculation that is known to very few men. In this chapter, John Collins has provided list of foods that need to avoid and step-by-step solution that end premature ejaculation permanently. Chapter 4, Increase Your Ejaculation Volume, page 6163. Although penis pumps, extenders, weights and pills claims to increase ejaculation volume, but they are very expensive and contain side effects. In this chapter, John Collins provided a surefire biochemical method to increase ejaculate volume and distance. Amazingly, this biochemical method needs only 4 natural substances that don't cost much and easily found in food we eat every day. Chapter 5, Chinese Herbs, page 6478. Chinese herbs are very popular these days. John Collins has provided list of 20 Chinese herbs that men are using them since many decades to solve their sexual problems. In this chapter there is detailed information about each and every herb and how to utilize them to solve problems that are either psychological and physical. Chapter 6, Western Supplements, page 7988. This chapter contains detailed analytics of 7 supplements that men are using to increase their ability and performance in bed. These Western supplements are easily available throughout the world and you will have no problem in getting them if you decided to use any of them. Chapter 7, Tables of Reference, page 8994. This chapter provides a quick view on substances and supplements that is necessary for penis health. John Collins created a table of substances that is necessary for penis growth along with information about dosage and from where to get them. Are there any before and after photos? Yes, there are some before and after photos that John Collins will only use when you request him through your email. However, you will find some YouTube videos in which real customers talk about how Penis Enlargement Bible book helps them in getting bigger penis. If you want to try out this program, then click the link below. Advantages: Penis Enlargement Bible provides natural and permanent solution to penis growth without popping up pills and drugs. In our research, 2,256 men tested 2-step method and none of them lost any gain even after they stopped following it. John Collins doesn't recommend any penis enlargement pills because most of them contain side effects that are hard to get away. The 2-step method is complete safe and there is no serious side effect reported by any of our testers. Do you have any question that you like to ask from Sex Educator? John Collins is offering lifetime support and you can ask him any question, doesn't matter if it is not related to Penis Enlargement Bible. According to latest research, most women prefer men with thicker penis rather than longer penis. If your main goal is to increase your penis girth, then worry not, because John Collins has covered this topic inside his book. With the help of 40 Great Sex Tips book, you can easily and quickly increase your overall sexual performance. Keep in mind, these sex tips come from authority that has over 20 years of experience as sex educator. Penis enlargement is still very sensitive topic. This is why John Collins decided to sell his book through ClickBank. For those who don't know, ClickBank is premier digital retailer that offers lots of ebooks, courses and physical supplement. Great thing about ClickBank is it offers discreet billing and shipping. When you make any purchase through ClickBank, then it will mark as ClickBank.com in your bank statement and you will receive download information in your email inbox. Another benefit of ClickBank is it offers 60 days money-back guarantee to all its products. Within 60 days you can get your money back, but I don't think you will ever need this. At this point, you may get some idea about this penis enlargement program. At $47, this is great deal for you if you are looking for something that can increase your penis size permanently. I am quite sure that John Collins has hand-picked some of best results to show the power of his program. However, when something that works that good, then there is no problem in this, right? I can say $47 is affordable for everyone, and more importantly it is protected with 60 days money-back guarantee. For any reason, if Penis Enlargement Bible plan fails to deliver results, then you can easily return the book and get your money back.